Let's go over how to install the Woox Gladiatore club grip. Before you work on any firearm, you do want to make sure that it is clear of any ammunition. So we'll go ahead and check the chamber. Chamber is clear, and I can see the follower and the magazine tube, so that does confirm that the firearm is clear and we're ready to work on it. Now I'm going to be mounting it into a vise, but it is not necessary for the install. Once you remove your factory stock or grip, then you're going to want to take, and there's going to be a metal plate on the back of it. You're going to want to remove that so the club grip mounts flush. So the little metal plate is off. The only tool required for this install is a 3/16 hex driver. Once you unbox the club grip, you'll notice that the mounting bolt is already in position in the back of the grip. So we're going to go ahead and line that hole up with the bolt. Take our 3/16 hex driver, and we're going to go ahead and snug that bolt up. Once it's snug, go ahead, give it just a little bit extra pressure. Make sure it's not going to back out on you. Once that's snug, then your Gladiatore club grip is installed.